All right, so just a walkthrough of how to set up Infinite Campus to send out emails, voice messages, and text messages to parents to their contact info that is on Infinite Campus. And so just as simple as logging in, click here on instruction, go to Message Center, and the first part is going to always be the longest because it takes time to set up. So it's going to be a new message. You could leave it here as class message. Leave this on user. There are some pre-made ones under current SCN teachers, kind of a mess. Stay away from them. And under here, I'm going to be working this from scratch. So like I'll show you where mine is at. Again, don't go here. I wouldn't, like, I have mine here. But for you, just set them up under class messages. So how do you want it delivered? Inbox means to Infinite Campus's inbox. So I'm going to say no. This is going to send it to parent email. The number parents have listed for voice messages, like a telephone call. And if they happen to have selected a text message, so it's connected to their cell phone, it will also send them a text message. So this I feel is like the most helpful. Select the date, select the time. I'm going to say send it out at 6 p.m. And once you set these, that's it. They're set. It's going to be a template, and it'll look like this every single time. So you don't have to keep doing this. The only thing you'll have to change is the date. Okay, what about the email? If you would not like, so I'm saying that I want them to get an email. If I don't want them replying to that email, I leave this here. If I want them to reply to that email, let's just say they see it, like, okay, let me talk to the teacher, then put your own email here. Caller ID, you can't change. Subject message, just whatever it happens to be. So I'm going to make a very generic one. So student is earning a D or F in marine biology, like that. Okay, you can record a message. I typically don't do this. So the message body, this is for two things. This is for the email, and it is also for the voice message. When they get the voice message, a robot's going to read it. That's why you can record your own message, but I typically don't. So just write something very simple. Just wanted to let you know that. And then the important part and the cool part is it's going to pull from Infinite Campus. So just wanted to let you know that, and we have to let them know who is failing. So student, demographic, I'm just going to use first name. Okay, that blank, whoever it happens to be, Jaime, Hector, Narquis, Quang, whoever, is currently earning, oops, I could type, a D or F in my class. Okay, it could be as simple as that. You can add something else. Please contact me at blah, 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 blah. Please have your student come in for tutoring on blah, 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 blah. You can include whatever info you want. So that includes what is going to be sent out via email and voice message. So what about the text message? So I basically just copy and paste. So I'm going to paste the first part. Now this part does not copy and paste, so you're going to have to do it again, which is, and it's just a one-time deal. So I'm going to go ahead and click student demographic. I want their first name to be in the text message, space, and then I'm going to add in the last part right here. So it's just a control paste part. All right, this is your template. Okay, quick, easy. One of the other great things is it keeps a log. So if anyone asks, well, have you tried contacting the student? Have you tried contacting the parent? You'll have a log of how many times you've sent out these messages. So we're going to go ahead and click Save As. And leave it as user. Okay, don't put it in any of the others. Leave it as user. And then put the template name. So what I forgot to do is I'm just going to copy and paste this in. So I'm going to click Save As. That way when I look for it again, it's easy to find. So save. Okay. And then once you're done with that, I'm going to click Next. And I'm going to click this one, Specific Recipients from Sections. Okay. Now I want this button right here, Student Messenger Contacts. I don't want students because that means it's going to send it to the student. Messenger Contacts is parent guardians. So for first period, let's just say I'm going to send it to these two people. And then I'm going to go over to second, and I'm going to send it to this person and this person. And then I'm going to go over to my third, and then you get the idea. So the cool part is you can pick from different sections. Once you're done, you just click next. And it'll tell you, okay, what's the recipient count? 7. So that means it's going to send out 7 messages. How many of them are going to be email? 6 of them. Because out of the 7 people, 6 of them have an email that's recognized on Infinite Campus. How many are going to receive a voice/text message? 11. So the reason it says 11 is because some of them are going to receive a voice message, and some of them are going to receive a voice message and a text message. So once you're ready, I'm not going to click send because these students are not failing. I just did it as an example. You hit send and you're done. So you can also review recipients. So you can say like, oh, okay, well, I don't want to send it to their email. So you can pick and choose like emails. I normally don't do this. I normally just send it out. Some people don't have emails listed, so they just didn't list one. When you're done, click save. So like if you only want to send it to specific things for a specific parent, I guess. And when you're done, click send. And that's it. You're all done. So I'm going to close that because I don't want to send I don't want to send those out. So here's what let's just say 2 weeks have passed by. Okay, I'd like to send out another message letting parents know. So I'm going to click new. It's under class messages. It's under user. And there it is right there. I'm going to click OK. Notice how it loads everything up again. So I must have missed this, but I'm going to switch it back to 6 p.m. Here. You can switch to the delivery date. And there it is. Everything's set, ready to go. You click next. Okay, specific recipients from sections. And again, just do the same thing you did before. Just start adding them, switch sections. And again, make sure it's on student messenger contacts. Okay, messenger contacts. And then once you're ready, you click next, and then there it is again. And you just have your template ready to go each time.